Quick question. Do you know that you're actually required to deploy fire safety solutions in these constructions and buildings that are coming up? If you didn't know, now you know. It's actually required that you provide this. And as HIKVISION, I'm happy to introduce the new conventional fire alarm system from HIKVISION. And I'm just going to show you that I have the panel here, which I'm going to open. I have one. This is the smoke detector. I have the heat detector. I have the sounder strobe. I have the manual call point. I also have the bell. I'm going to show you that HIKVISION can actually cover your fire safety requirements and fire safety operations. So stay tuned as I open each of these. So let's start with the conventional smoke detector. This is how it looks like from HIKVISION. Remember, this deployment is non-polarity. It all comes with screws so that you can mount wherever you want to mount. Then this is the detector, the physical appearance of this smoke detector from HIKVISION. Nice? Yeah, nice. Okay, moving on. So from the smoke detector, let's move to the next device. And let me just try to be more organized here so that we can actually get to embrace. The next item is the conventional heat detector. Let's look at it. Again, it comes with the mounting screws, and this is the detector, more or less like the smoke detector, but a slightly different appearance. So this is the conventional heat detector. Okay, actually I don't want to put them back because very soon I'll also be doing configuration and troubleshooting for it, so that we appreciate that how much power HIKVISION can offer. Then we have the conventional sounder strobe. So let's see what's in this box. So this, of course, the mounting screws, the sounder strobe itself, the mounting bracket, then now the actual sounder strobe. So it has a speaker and the flashing lights. So that is that. It also comes with the resistor by default, so that you can do your configurations and consider the safety standards. What else? Conventional manual call point. So this is the manual call point. Remember, all this, all still the mounting screws. Then you get this. This is the manual call point from HIKVISION. So again, we're going to set this up so that we appreciate how much we can offer on conventional fire alarm. Then the manual call point, usually it would come with a key. Where is the key? So that I can unlock. I'll confirm that as we move forward with the deployment. Then what else? The fire alarm bell. So let's look at this conventional fire alarm bell. Yeah, something like this. Look at this. This is the design from HIKVISION, the conventional fire alarm bell. So you can imagine I have input, I have output. Now, where is the logic? The logic is in the panel. So let me just move this panel aside, put my detectors close. Then I'll explain to you what is the control part of it. So let's put the bell also here. Then we're going to test this. So I'll get this panel. Let's have a look. So when I open the panel, this is what I get from inside. So I just randomly open the box. Wow. So this is now what I'm talking about. The HIKVISION conventional fire alarm panel. It comes with the key, big resistors, so many connectors, of course. Now, what else? So that aside, also in the box, we get this. So the box, nothing else. So this is how the HIKVISION fire alarm control panel looks like. This is the conventional control panel. So we have the protection. So the design is rugged enough. So let's open and see what else does this panel have. So from the panel, let me just plug the key in and turn it. Yeah, this is now the HIKVISION conventional fire alarm panel. You'll realize it has a network port, it has a USB port so that you can export data and link it with the system. We have the interface for connecting the bus different zones. We have 2 backup batteries and the power supply unit. Again, the weight of this thing is something. So you want to try this, you'll be welcome to our showroom to experience the different configurations and setups and the experience from this conventional panel. Stay tuned as we are going to set up. And just to keep you up to date or up to speed with fire alarm safety requirement, you actually require to use a fire alarm recommended safety cable. So let me show you. So here I have a 100 meter 2 times 1.5 millimeter. That is the thickness of this cable. So with this fire alarm cable, of course you can also get this from HIKVISION. So let me just put it down so that I can quickly untie it and show you. So the fire alarm safety cable looks like this. It's protected so that it can survive and withstand the different conditions of fire incidents. So when there is a fire, the system still works, operates normally so that everyone can get to safety. So HIKVISION is giving you the complete fire solution, and that's what I'm going to set up so that you can also have a feel of this and experience the fire alarm system. So stay tuned.